You're listening to B2B Tech Talk with Ingram Micro, where we share topics that will inspire business growth and help you stay ahead of advances in technology before they become mainstream. This episode is sponsored by Ingram Micro Xvantage, the game-changing platform that will transform your business potential and reshape how customers see you. Sanjib, Sahoo, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Nina. It's a pleasure to be here.
We are here at the Global Cloud and Innovation Summit, and there is a lot of buzz about you, about Xvantage. I'm not even having to prompt customers to talk about Xvantage. They are so excited. What are you hearing? What are you feeling?
I'm hearing the same. The excitement has been amazing. There is a palpable energy in our partners, getting a lot of questions, but most importantly, they're sharing the excitement with me. I'm just so delighted and proud to be part of Ingram Micro. I'm fortunate to be here. But most importantly, I am here with the partners, but there are hundreds of people around the globe who has worked very hard to build this platform. They put in blood, sweat, tears, hours of hard work for this platform. I'm proud for them. I'm proud to represent their work, which actually means something for our partners, something for the company. I am proud for them.
I agree. There is a lot of sweat equity that has made Xvantage. But when you talk about the palpable energy, I would say I've been with Ingram for over 9 years, and I have never felt the energy flowing through the meetings, through the halls of the company as I have in the past year. It's been amazing. So well done. Now, I'm gonna pivot just a little bit because you told me a little something about yourself. You said that you are all about, you'll talk about anything that has to do with fashion, passion, compassion, and execution. Let's start with fashion. You have obviously a great sense of fashion. You always show up very dapper. Where did that come from?
I think I was growing up as a very chubby kid, and I was body shamed, and I was actually ashamed of how I looked and presented. And then slowly, as I grow up, I felt that your body is more like a temple. If you don't respect it, if you don't feel good about yourself, others don't. So, however we look, however we do, we want to be in our best presentable form the way we are. If I dress up to feel good about myself, it gives me energy. It's not about how others feel, it's about I feel. That's how fashion started.
I agree with you. And I was having a conversation earlier all about being your authentic self. And no one, and I tell you, no one is more authentic than you are on the stage. I watched you very closely and carefully yesterday, and I have never seen an audience so captivated. They were so excited. But what I really loved is how you presented Xvantage in a live demo. I mean, who does that? Who takes that risk to do a live demo in front of thousands of people? But it really, really proved that you and Ingram Micro walks the talk.
I think the point, Nina, is I never aim for perfection. What would have worst would have happened is the demo would not have worked, but it was worth the try and fail than not trying at all. I can talk all day to our partners about how great Xvantage is, the experience is, but as long as I cannot show them a platform that works and they can believe, they can see, they can correlate that experience, they will not get it. So my point was that even if it is imperfectly perfect, I'm fine. Second point is that as leaders, we need to be in the details. If I cannot demo a platform that I am proud about, shame on me. So it's about showing that platform with a lot of pride on behalf of my team, with partners, on behalf of Ingram Micro. When you see the partners cheering, whistling, happy, our job is to delight those customers. We don't deliver a checklist, we deliver a smile to our partners.
It's an experience, isn't it? It's all
It's an
about the
experience.
experience.
So that is what was my thought process.
I love it. All right, now we're going to go down to compassion. What's your why?
What's my why?
Yeah. What's your why? We all have for example, my why is I wake up every day and ask, who can I help today? How can I
Yeah.
help someone? What's your why?
My why is when I'm not there in this world to make an impact such a way few people remember my impact on them, on their lives. So what it means is that I lost my father when I was very young. And one thing that he said was, I won't be there to see you what you do, but whatever you do, try to make an impact, make a change. Technology, digital job is a way for me to influence people. I don't have a lot of skills, little I have. And if the little I have can influence people, community, that's my why, a purpose. If I can lead by influence, lead with purpose, make people better to achieve their dreams, that's what makes me excited. That's my why.
That's an outstanding legacy to leave, right? I think we all aspire to have some sort of legacy that we're leaving behind. It's not just to kind of ride off into the sunset quietly. We want to be able to leave something behind. I want to talk also about execution because you have assembled a masterful team at Ingram Micro to be able to execute something so big, so powerful in such a short amount of time. How did that happen?
Yeah, I think the bias for action is more important to me than bias for results, which means that I cannot handle stagnancy or complacency. That you are stagnant, you're not moving, keep moving in small iterations. The other thing is that I try to set aggressive targets such a way that, if you set the target too long, the market will move. You never know what happens. But I have seen that when you assemble a really good team with the right mindset and you challenge them rightly, but encourage them with the vision, show them the possibilities, also show them that their work matters. It's a push and pull. You are tough on them to push them hard, but you are nice on them for them to trust you and connect with you. This balance is very important. Once you do that, results will automatically come. And we don't celebrate just delivering technology, we celebrate how we have changed or made an impact to the company. That mindset, value focus, where creativity matches with results and execution is very important. Innovation and creativity, a lot of people can say, but we have to show that we deliver because it's all about when you're changing a $50 billion company, you make ground and take ground. You make ground and take ground because you think big and act small and fail fast. Think big, act small, fail fast. Otherwise, if you want to bite more than you can chew, you know what happens to our mouth.
I love it. Okay, so Xvantage now, we're in multiple countries, which is absolutely amazing. We have now brought our entire ecosystem under the Xvantage roof. What's next?
Xvantage is a journey, it will never stop. We are now solving more complicated problems. We just announced the cloud and seamless experience, everything coming together in one experience platform. We are solving automation of pricing. We talked about integration with hyperscalers. We talked about mobile app. I mean, the list just goes on. I said yesterday that transformation doesn't start and then end, and it's not perfect. Xvantage is not perfect. Xvantage is imperfectly perfect, but it will be more perfect every day with the feedback of our partners, our employees, our vendor partners, and keep on iterating to make it better, better, and better. That is what is next.
So yesterday, I have to tell you, we did a session for our vendor partners, This is the first time in my career that I've known about a session that more people came than RSVP'd. Usually you have a number of people that RSVP and you get drop off. I never see it the other way, where we have more people. That people are so excited. They're excited, they want to engage more, they want to know more. Um, I, I mean, I'm getting the chills because I feel the energy. I just really, really feel the energy and I'm excited. This has been such a pleasure chatting with you today and getting to know you better and in person. This has been a lot of fun.
Really appreciate that.
Sanjib, Sahoo, thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You've been listening to Ingram Micro's B2B Tech Talk. Thanks for tuning in. If you like this episode and you want to continue the conversation online, use hashtag B2B Tech Talk.